There was a time when a guy really asked me how many words can I type in a minute. In a few years, this question might sound like asking someone how fast they can dial a rotary phone. Hi, I am Charu, and at times I make content that might require a long attention span. Typing was never really natural to us. People speak at about 150 words per minute, and meanwhile, even really fast typists top out around 100 to 120, and most of us would sit somewhere between 40 to 60. Like we have been squeezing a fire hose through a drinking straw for about 40 years. Look at how you talk to AI. You probably did not type your last message. Maybe you spoke to it. Do it all the time when I'm walking, when I'm traveling. We all must be doing the same, and maybe we did not even notice the switch. Do you know that voice has already taken over typing for search in many markets? And as someone wise said, follow the money. So there are three companies that are already leading this frontier, and each one of them owns a different piece of it. It is Whisper Flow, which is a dictation that actually works. You ramble, ahs, and all the backtrails, cleans up your speech and writes properly formatted text in whatever app you are using. They've raised over $81 million and they're literally calling it the post keyboard future. Next company is 11 Labs, and 11 Labs makes AI voices nearly indistinguishable from real humans. They power audiobooks narrated by AI, movies and shows dubbed into dozens of languages, and voice cloning from a short audio sample. Hit an $11 billion valuation in Feb this year. Then we have Servam AI. Servam AI is building voice models for 22 Indian languages. And they just hit a $1.5 billion valuation backed by Nvidia and Amazon. And in a country of 1.4 billion people, most can't type in English. So voice is an interface that really works. See, one company is replacing keyboards, another one is giving AI a voice, and third one is bringing voice to 1.4 billion people. In 5 years, we'll measure productivity by years per minute, not keystrokes per hour.